Dear agents, welcome to Technology One Agent Portal Instruction, Part 2. This is the second part of 3 instruction video series. The video demonstrates a step-by-step instruction on how to create a new application. After login to KOI Agent Portal, from My Application panel you can see active applications or just mine to quick review how many applications you have made. To make new application, first, go to My Applications. When get into application screen, it is possible to view a list of all applications that have been submitted or pending. In addition, you can go to Offer tab where it is possible to view a list of successful applications that have been issued with an offer letter. Now, to make new application, click Add Application. Here, you will see 3 steps on the left navigation. Create new applicant, select courses and select a scholarship. First, you need to fill in the details to create new application, such as family name, given name, gender, and date of birth. You can choose the date from the calendar function. Also, you can type the date with format as day, month and year. For example, the 1st of February 2000, you type 0102 to 2000. Citizenship type must choose temporary entry permit. Then type applicant email. The agent contact email is who makes new application and will receive correspondence emails from KOI admissions. Then click Next. Now you can select courses in step 2. In the middle of the screen, you can see many courses from the list. It is including undergraduate and postgraduate courses, Sydney and Newcastle location in different intakes. To help you finding the course, you can use the filter function to sort it out. There are many elements for you to select such as curriculum type, curriculum level, course type, location, study period and so on. However, you can sort out by curriculum type. For example, after choosing bachelor type, you can see only 30 records. You also can choose more element to search the course such as location, year and study period. After sorting out, you can see only 3 records which are showing Sydney location and trimester 2 2023, 4 bachelor courses such as accounting, information technology and business management. When you find the course, click Add to Application button. After adding the course, you can see new steps here. Now, you can provide more information about scholarship, credit transfer, educational background, respond all requirements and so on. Step 1, selected course. From here, you can click the button View Course Details to review the course you selected. If you apply for package course, you can click Select Another Course button. Or, if you want to remove the selected course, you also can click Remove button and choose another course. In this application, I choose only one course. After reviewing it and everything is okay, click Next. Step 2, select a scholarship which is relevant to the intake. Please check carefully the course and intake from the selected scholarship, then click Add to Application. After selected, you can review and remove it if it is not right. If everything is all right, click Next. Step 3. Apply for advanced standing or credit transfer. Click Add to Application if you wish to have credits. After that, you can see the status considered. You also can remove your choice, otherwise, click Next. Step 4. Applicant details. Now you can provide more student details. Please complete all the mandatory fields such as phone, email, country, addresses. For example, phone number is 0415666777. Addresses details. You will need to fill out 2 addresses. Under address details is for onshore and offshore address. Under citizenship type is only offshore address. For example, onshore address is in Australia. 31 Market Street, Sydney City, New South Wales, 2000. Offshore address is in Nepal, 1 Jones Street, Kathmandu. How about if you apply for offshore students? First, you input the offshore phone number. Then, you will need to input offshore address under address details to be the same as address under citizenship type. After that, you need to fill country of birth, which can be the same or different with country from offshore address. For example, you can choose India in this field or other countries. In this case, I choose the same country, Nepal. Then you will also need to fill the main language, for example, Nepali. After filling out all mandatory fields, click Next. Step 5. Educational background. You can see there is 1 item in this step. If students have more qualifications, you can add more items by click Add button on the right. However, if you have all academic documents ready for attaching in the next step, you can skip this step and click Next. Step 6. Requirements. Responding to requirements and uploading the necessary documents are crucial steps in any application, and make sure their status is response received. First, KOI scholarship. Click Respond, then answer yes or no question and location onshore or offshore. You will need to upload documents if it is required. Otherwise, click Save. Now you can keep going to respond to other requirements. Next, passport. You must enter passport number, answer yes and upload a passport with student signature. Then save it. Next, visa. You will answer no and save if it is offshore student. Answer yes if student is onshore, then fill out the passport, visa issued and expired date, upload visa grant letter, then click Save. In this case, I answer no for offshore student and click Save. Change of name. If there is no changes in legal name, answer no, otherwise answer yes and upload relevant document. Administrative Appeals Tribunal. Answer no, otherwise answer yes and upload relevant documents. Academic qualification document for course entry. It is important to access entry requirements and scholarship. You must answer yes and upload relevant documents. These requirements showcase a candidate's academic achievements, providing evidence of their readiness and ability to succeed in higher education. Scholarships are also often tied to academic performance, and students who can demonstrate academic excellence may be eligible for a variety of merit-based scholarships. COE from previous provider. If student is offshore, answer no and click Save. If student is onshore, answer yes and upload visa granted letter, then click Save. In this case, I answer no and save. Anything may affect your ability to study. If no, answer no and click Save. If yes, choose relevant issue such as legal impact or medical impact, then upload document. In this case, I answer no and save. Financial capacity. If the student is in Australia, answer yes, otherwise, answer no. If you also have financial capacity form and supporting documents, please upload. For payment, you do not need to upload the receipt at this stage. In this case, I answer no and click Save to go next step. Genuine temporary entrant. If you have already prepared the KOI-GDE form, please answer yes and click Add button to upload it. If you have not had it yet, you can submit it later and you can answer no and click Save. OSHC. Choose the right cover such as single, couple, family or self-arranged. In this case, I choose single cover, then click Save. Please note that, if you choose single, couple and family cover, it means you are asking KOI to arrange OSHC. If you are arranging for students, please choose self-arrange. Student declaration. Read carefully all the information and answer yes, then click Save. If all the requirements are responded and have status as response received, click Next. Next step will be agent details that you can check to make sure your email correspondence is correct. You also can leave the note here to KOI admission. After that, click Next. Next step will be summary. Review all the information, and if it is ready to go, click Submit. After submitting the application, you will go back to the application page and see the status. It is shown incomplete, but do not panic, it will change to submitted within few seconds. Now, you can see it is submitted. Thank you for watching the instruction video. Your time and attention are valuable. I encourage you to continue exploring and discovering other instruction videos, and I hope that the videos was useful to you.